Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In raising funding, you need to show your metrics. Startups in the impact space should also show their impact metrics, as investors will look for your results there. A common mistake by impact companies is to focus on the size of the market to be served and the needs in those markets. Instead, you should measure the actual impact results of your business on the market you are serving and show those results. For example, how many students graduated? How many bottles of plastic were removed from the waste stream? How many students improved their test scores? Focus on the primary impact, which is on the customer, rather than the secondary impact, which is on the employee of the business. There are several metric systems, including GINS, IRIS metrics, the IRIS thematic taxonomy, and the impact management project you can use to track metrics. In short, no one system covers all impact sectors. Check out the Sustainable Development Goals site for the categories of impact metrics to see where your deal fits. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.